Hi, guys. It's a new week. I hope you guys had a great spring break. And I'm going to go ahead and get started on this week's assignment. So, for this week's assignment, you're going to see in Google Classroom that you need to complete the Passion Project Brainstorm chart. This week is devoted to you figuring out what topic you want to use for your passion project. So, let's go ahead and look through what your assignment's going to be for the week. And feel free to watch this video as many times as needed to make sure that you are doing it correctly and you get all of your points. So for your task, it says to complete this chart to help Miss Owens and your classmates identify the topic for your passion project. The video that you're watching right now is the video that says watch me first. And we are going to go ahead and look at Monday. So for Monday, you'll see that you will get 30 points. You're going to want to click on this for the project kickoff, and then you're going to want to go and answer these questions. So when you open up, you'll look at the Passion Project Kickoff, which is the Google Slides. Go through the Google Slides. There is just one video, a little bit of reading. It'll take you less than 5 minutes to do so. And then go over and answer this question. Gives you a hint on what slides that you need to look at to answer, and you'll have your 30 points for Monday. Okay? So for Tuesday, you'll see that Tuesday is worth 10 points. If you were able to learn about anything you wanted, what would you want to learn more about? You can have more than one answer. So anything that you want to learn more about, you're going to want to type in there. If it's just one thing, just put one thing. If it's 5, you can put 5. Okay? And then head over here and it says, what do you enjoy doing in your spare time? If you had a day off with no obligations, meaning you didn't have anything else you had to do, what would you spend it doing? And you can have more than one answer there as well. Okay? And some of these answers might be the same here. Okay? On Wednesday, you're going to click and see that I have created a list of, I think about 23 passion project ideas. So if you look on the ideas side, these are just things that might be your topic. For example, my topic is sign language. So sign language would be over here, but my final product is something to do with sign language. So I kind of have to extend that idea into a final product. What am I actually going to show? Okay. So if you're interested in books, you may choose to write a book. You may want to learn a new language like I am. You may want to create something and show us how you created it and why you created it and what materials you used to create it. You may want to learn something completely new, just something you're totally into, like I'm doing. You may want to start a garden. You may want to start a reading log or a reading challenge for a specific month. I've been looking up reading challenges for like the month of April, or since we're already in April, you may want to make one for May, which I think would be kind of cool. Something each day that we would be doing that revolves around reading. And you can do the same thing with something like exercise. You can make an exercise calendar for the month of May for us. Okay. You can blog, you can YouTube. The point of this day, if we go back to Wednesday, is for you just to review them, just to see if it can spark anything for you to start thinking about your own. Okay. And then over here, you're just going to list some of the things that interest you. You'll notice that Tuesday and Wednesday are very similar. So those are just days for us to start thinking, hey, what are we interested in? What would I want to do this project on? I will guide you through the project, but the topic is your choice. Please keep that in mind. Okay. On Thursday, you're going to watch a short video of me. It is sign language that I have been learning, and I want to see what you think I am saying to you. And then I posted some challenges for you to just research my passion and see if you can learn a sign that you can use tonight, whether it be with your family, in your room, practicing in the mirror. And then my second challenge for Thursday is to begin thinking about your project. What topic do you want to research further? Think of this in terms of, what would I want to teach Miss Owens, or what do I want to teach my classmates? What do I want them to learn about and be passionate about just like I am? And then on Friday, You will click this to see if your answer for Thursday was correct. I tell you what I said. I give you a little bit more guidance on the project. And then I want you to try to identify a possible topic. This may change over the weekend, but I do want you to submit a final answer to me, just so I can kind of see where your head is and your thinking, since we can't talk all the time like we normally would do in class. Okay? And then I'll get a list of those together so you can kind of see what your classmates are thinking as well. Okay? So this week is just like the title of the assignment says, it is Brainstorm. Okay, so let's think through this. As long as you complete this correctly, and I can tell that you looked at the slideshows and watched my videos, you should see 100 in the grade book for this. Okay, submit and turn this into Google Classroom to me, and that is your assignment for this week. I know that Ms. Schaefer sent you guys the calendar, the team calendar. You'll notice that I have, if you're missing any work for my class, I have put it together for you, and stuff is still assigned in Google Classroom. I sent your parents messages and some text messages and some emails to let them know. So if you're missing work or do not like your grade right now in quarter 4, it's probably because you are missing some work. So please make sure you look at that. That list is also attached on our chart. Not sure why I can't go up like that. Okay. So actually it's not attached yet, but I will attach it so that you can see if you are missing any work. I will put it on this one as well. Okay. This will be in our Google Classroom. You'll notice that you will have a brand new topic. This was last week's, this is this week's, and this is any missing work from when we first started. So again, this is from March up until the beginning of April, missing work. This is last week's if you didn't do any work there or are missing something. And then this is your brand new topic. Okay. You guys still have time to get caught up. I am super flexible and super understanding. Okay. So just make sure that you're getting in your work and communicating with me, and I will help you in any way that I can. All right. Have a great week. I'm here if you need me. Watch this video back because I did submit this one video for the week. And then pay attention to your stream, because I will be putting your daily announcements here reminding you of what you need to be doing. Don't forget about the Google Meets, and I will see you guys this week on those. You can call me, you can text message me, and you can email me. Bye, guys.